Hello everybody! You have done so well with your mental maths in the last few weeks and when we were back at school learning all your addition and subtraction facts to 20. So we're now going to have a go at learning different ways that we can quickly work out our addition and subtraction facts within 100. Let's have a look. So we can use our number bonds to 10 to help us work out our number bonds to 100. So let's start with looking at two numbers that make 10. Let's start with 1 and 9. Okay. We know that 1 add 9 is equal to 10. Here is 110 where we can see 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you can see that our 1, there's our 1, Dean, that we started off with, and our 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, are equal to 10. They're the same size as our 110 Dean block. So that's a fact that we already know. Let's look at how this relates to our facts to 100. As you can see, I've put the number 100 here. Here we've got 100. So when we were making 10, we had 1 and 9. You can see that 100 is bigger than 10. It's got an extra 0 on the end. That means that it's 10 times bigger. It means that 10 tens will fit into this 100 block. 10 tens, let's look. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens. So that means 100 is 10 times bigger. That's why it has an extra 0 on the end. Let's try making 1 10 times bigger to put in here. If we're going to make it 10 times bigger, we're going to put an extra 0 on the end of our 1, which gives us 10. As you can see, I've got my 10 on top of my 100 block here, so it's filling up one of those columns. How many 10s do you think I need now to make 100? If I've got 10, how many more 10s do I need to make 100? That's right, it's 9. I need 9 10s, which make 90. Let's double check. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Yes, 10 and 90 equal 100. Can you see how our number bonds to 100 are really similar to our number bonds to 10? Let's look. 10 is 1 and 9. 1 and 9 equal 10. And 100, we have 10 and 90. So our 1 is 10 times bigger, so it's 10, and our 9 is 10 times bigger, and it's 90. Let's have a look at some other ones and see how that works. Okay, we know that 2 and 8 equal 10. So what do you think the number bonds are going to be to make 100? That's right, to turn it into our number bonds to 100, we're just going to make everything 10 times bigger. So on this side, we're going to change that to 100. So if we're going to make it 100, then one part is going to be not 2, but 20. And the other part isn't going to be 8 because 20 add 8 would make 28, not 100. So what do we need to do to this number? That's right. We need to turn it into 80. So 20 add 80 make 100. Let's check. Okay, so here we've got 20 sitting on top of our 100 block. Let's check to see how many more 10s we need to complete 100, to make it sure that it's equal to 100. There's 20, 10, 20. Let's have a look. How many more 10s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 10s are 80. So we know that 20 add 80 equals 100. Okay, everybody, so now it's your turn. I want you to use the cherry models to write down all of the number bonds to 100 using your number bonds to 10. So as we've been doing, 1 and 9 make 10, so 10 and 90 make 100. And carry on using all of the number bonds to 10 to make your number bonds to 100. If you want an extra challenge, come up with some other numbers which make 100, any numbers that you can think of. So for example, if I put 100 into my total, and I put any number I can think of that's smaller than 100 into one of the parts, let's say I put in 28, then I would have to try and work out what number would go in here, what would be the other part to make 100. You don't have to do this bit, that's an extra challenge if you want to do something a little bit more challenging. Off you go, can't wait to see what you come up with. Well done, everybody.